Hey guys, so I just want to give you a little update in my room right now. We still doing the Asta room transformation makeover. So I just want to show y'all a little update. So I made a pillowcase. I made like 3 pillowcases. So here are the pillowcases right here that I have made. I think it looked pretty good. This is like a little pastel color, I would say. It's kind of like a light orange, and this really light pink, and the yellow. Which I think all the let me do this. I think it's good with it. I think it's so pretty. Like my room is coming together. It really is coming together. In my last clip, I say that I want to do a Pinterest artwork right here. And have y'all seen, like, here's the inspo on the picture on the screen right now, but I draw it, I paint it. So I just want to show y'all my artwork a little bit. So yeah, this is all. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. So I'm gonna put it on this wall right here. I don't know yet about this one yet. I still figured out about this one, but this one right here, I already know what I'm gonna do on this one, and I already know what I'm gonna do with this one. Don't know about this one right here though, like above my closet. But yeah, but I know what I'm gonna do with this one, and I just can't wait to do it. Hey y'all, so it's like a couple days later, I would say. I think today is June 28th at 3 o'clock p.m. This part 2 will be the decoration for my walls. Y'all see some over there right now, but I might change it. I don't know. I really wasn't. I like it, but I'm not really crazy about it. I need to change it. I really do need to change it a lot. So that will be doing. I might change it over there to my desk. I don't know yet. I'm still figuring it out. I want to do the Spotify player on the glass. Here's the inspo right here on the screen. If y'all know what I'm talking about, just know everyone else doing it. Now I have always wanted to do it so bad, and now I can finally do it. Can't wait to show y'all. Okay, so here is all the album picture that we'll put on the picture frame glass. I got J-Hope, Hopeful, Daydreams, one of my favorite songs. I got Prince, Purple Rain. I got Jan Jessica Tune album. I got Ariana Grande, Position album. I got BTS, Love Yourself. And I got Beyonce, Homecoming album, the live album. Yeah, this right here, I'll have 6 of them and put on my wall right here above my bed, which I think will look so cute. Hopefully it turns out great. But yeah, this would have been the album picture, and this is some pictures that I got that I want to put on my wall, but which I don't know. I know it's gonna be this wall right here or this wall right here. Oh yeah, I gotta clean my decks. I need to redo them. I will be doing that today, but. Okay, this is for Valentine with a chocolate box for Valentine, but I keep it because I really like this how it look, and I can't pull it right here, which I think will look cute. But I'm still figuring out where I'm gonna put this. I need to figure that out now. But right now I will be doing the album and clean up my desk.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say,
Okay, so I just cleaned off everything on my desk right now. I still need to put something up on my wall right here, but as y'all can see, this the pencil draw, I would call it pencil draw, that I did like a little bit of white. I think I did it last year, beginning of January, and I done this little DIY, but I want a clear draw for my pencil, which I got this, which I think is look cute. So I will want my transform to into this. I think it will be alright. I look kind of crazy right now, but I am done with my corner. I like it. I really do like it, but it's like something it was missing over here. I just don't know. I really don't know, but I hope that we'll figure it out. I'll probably add more decoration. Yeah, I saw earlier that I put my color pen on here. I saved this spot for a reason, so y'all will see that later on. But I need to clean up and I need to more add stuff on here. I don't know yet, but I think I know what I'm gonna do right here. I'm gonna keep the stuff right here, but I think I know what I'm gonna do. So, but right now I will be doing the Spotify playlist right now. You know, the playlist that I'm about to go do right now. I can't wait. I will show y'all to y'all, but I'll probably speed it up because y'all seen a lot of people done this. So I just gonna speed it up the podcast. Y'all know what I'm saying, but yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. So yeah.
what you had to do. I got the superstar glow, so to the booty. The first step right left to my beat. I let the moon rock with me, baby. Know that I'm not dirty. Let me show you kiss, cock, and shit. First step right left to my beat. Can't let it go. Smooth like butter. Pour you in like no other. Don't need no usher. To remind me you got it bad. Ain't no other that can sweep you up like a rubber. Straight up, I gotcha. Making you fall like that. Break it down. Oh, when I look in the mirror, I want your heart to get through. I got this superstar glow, so ooh. Side step right left to my beat. I let the moon rock with me, baby. Know that I got that heat. Let me show you 'cause don't get shit. The side step right left to my beat. Got it, let it go.
I'm the next guy. Got the right body and the right mind. Rolling up the party, got the right vibes. Like, hey there. Fresh boy, pull up and we lay low. All the plans get over with the bass low. Don't mind me while we honest in the same show. Let's go.
Side step right left to my beat. To my beat. I let the moon rock with me, baby.
Okay, sorry that I kind of look crazy, but I just went home and stopped doing the video. Just went home and stopped doing the video, you know. So y'all saw me that I was decorating my walls. Then I stopped filming the camera because I was getting frustrated of my wall. But I finally got it. I really love it so much. I really love it how it came out. So I just want to show y'all like a sneak peek. Here's my wall above my bed. I really like it a lot. I like how the picture that I got. You know, I got all the pictures from the magazine, of course. And this side, it's just simple. I keep on looking at it. I like it. Really don't need nothing on this wall. This is my neon sign and this leaf right here. I think it's just so pretty. And I got my pillows, of course. Y'all see the pillows that I made. Okay, my desk is still need to be done. Sorry, there's a metal head. I just put it in there. I wasn't the goal. But like, I love it. Hey, like y'all see, like the Pinterest art. You know, I got this right here. This, the flowers, the cherry, the cow print, my music player. I really like it a lot. It's just so like you had this right here. Then you had this right here. I'm like, what? Wow. Okay, the part wasn't a sneak peek, but y'all, I would do like the whole photo was so like the whole transformation. But yeah, oh my god, I like it. I like it. But let me tell you what I want to get for Amazon. Well, I am thinking about getting something. Well, I think about getting something on Amazon. Is the vines. I will be getting vines and put it on like top of my corners. Top on my corners by the ceiling on my wall. I think that would look cute. I probably put it around my desk. I don't know yet. I'm still figuring out about that. And I'm gonna get me a Galaxy projector. Galaxy skylight. I was saying Galaxy skylight. I'm just waiting. On them. When it comes in the mail, I will be showing it to y'all. Y'all gonna see me plug and then y'all gonna see me hanging the vines up. I just can't wait. So yeah, so this was it. Not a video. See, it's not done yet, but it's pretty much it for this clip right here. So I'll see y'all on it later on. I'll see y'all later.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want